Apple Watch Series 9 versus Ultra 2. Which one should you buy? Apple has released two new models of its popular smartwatch, the Apple Watch Series 9 and the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Both devices offer impressive features and performance, but they also have some key differences that may affect your buying decision. In this video, we will compare two models and help you choose the best one for your needs. The Apple Watch Series 9 and the Ultra 2 look very similar to their predecessor with the similar rectangular shape and rounded corners. However, the Ultra 2 is slightly larger and thicker than the Series 9, measuring 49 by 44 by 14.5 mm and weighing 61.4 grams compared to 45 by 38 by 10.7 mm and 38.7 to 51.5 grams for the Series 9. Both models have an always-on Retina LTPO OLED display, but the Ultra 2 has higher peak brightness of 3000 nits compared to 2000 nits for the Series 9. This means that the Ultra 2 is easier to read in bright sunlight, but also dims to 1 nit in low light situations such as a cinema. The Series 9 and the Ultra 2 also differs in the materials and the colors they're available in. The Series 9 comes in aluminum with Iron X front glass, and you can choose from midnight, starlight, silver, pink, or red. The Ultra 2 comes in either stainless steel or titanium, both with sapphire front crystal, and you can choose from gold, silver, graphite, or natural titanium. The Apple Watch Series 9 and the Ultra 2 both have the same S9 chip, which is a custom Apple silicon that makes the devices more capable, intuitive, and faster. The S9 chip has a dual-core CPU with 5.6 billion transistors, which is 60% more than the S8 chip. It also has a 4-core neural engine that processes machine learning tasks up to 2 times faster. One of the innovations enabled by the S9 chip is a new gesture called Double Tap, which allows you to use your Apple Watch without touching the screen. You can simply double tap your index finger and thumb together to answer a call, open a notification, play and pause music, and more. Another feature that both models share is Siri, which can now process requests directly on the device, making it faster and more secure. Siri dictation is also up to 25% more accurate, and you can ask Siri to show you health information by voice. The Series 9 and the Ultra 2 also have the same sensors for health and fitness tracking, such as blood oxygen, electrical heart, body temperature, compass, always-on altimeter, and ambient light. However, the Ultra 2 has some additional sensors that make it more suitable for outdoor and water activities, such as depth gauge and water temperature sensor. Both models also have GPS, but the Ultra 2 has a precision dual-frequency L1/L5 GPS, which is more accurate and reliable than the L1 GPS of the Series 9. The Ultra 2 also has a second-generation ultra-wideband chip, which enables a new integration with HomePod or precision finding for iPhone 15. The Apple Watch Series 9 and the Ultra 2 both have a battery life of up to 18 hours, which is the same as the previous models. However, the Series 9 has a faster charging time, taking only 45 minutes to reach 80% compared to 60 minutes for the Ultra 2. The Series 9 and the Ultra 2 also have different prices, depending on the size, material, and connectivity options. The Series 9 starts at £349 for the 41mm aluminum model with GPS and goes up to £529 for a 45mm aluminum model with GPS and cellular. The Ultra 2 starts at £699 for the 49mm stainless steel model with GPS and cellular and goes up to £849 for the 49mm titanium model with GPS and cellular. The Apple Watch Series 9 and the Ultra 2 are both excellent smartwatches that offer a lot of feature and performance. However, the Ultra 2 is more expensive and more suited for outdoor and water enthusiasts, while the Series 9 is more affordable and more versatile. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your personal preference, budget, and lifestyle.